Everyone, let me introduce myself. I am Albiel Febrian with the last digit of student ID 518. On this occasion, I will present material regarding mystical logic in the book of Madilog by Tan Malaka. Indonesia, throughout its history, has developed under the influence of mystical belief, superstition, and irrational pattern of thinking. This way of thinking not only affect the daily behavior of society, but is also agent of development of science, education, and technology. Realizing this, Tan Malaka, through his work, Madilog, introduced a new method of thinking to guide society toward a more rational, scientific, and critical mindset as the foundation for national progress. Madilog itself is a book by Tan Malaka, which stands for Materialisme, Dialektika, and Logika. Materialism implies that everything must be understood based on physically reality and variable fact. Dialectica teaches that every event has a cause and effect and always undergoes change. Meanwhile, logic is a way of thinking that's structured, rational, and systematic, so that conclusions are drawn of accountable evidence and analysis. Matilog encourages society to use reason and scientific knowledge in solving life problems. On this occasion, I will focus on discuss the first chapter, namely materialism according to Tan Malaka. Within materialism, there are discussing regarding mystical logic. Mystical logic is a pattern of thinking that based supernatural belief, myth, and superstition and tradition without scientific proof. Truth is accepted because it is in of belief, not because has been researched. People with mystical thinking tend to surrender to self, rely on magical, reject criticism, and consider tradition the only source of truth. In everyday life, mystical thinking can be seen in the use of talisman for luck, the belief that illness and cause because depends on zodiac prediction or association natural disaster with the anger of spirit or ghost. For young people today, the trend of tarot card reading is very familiar. This also a part of mystical logic according to Tan Malaka. Tan Malaka creates mystical logic because he considers it a major obstacle to national progress. According to him, a nation that still hold on to mystical thinking will fall behind the science and technology, be easily manipulated, and be unable to create innovation. And therefore, he offers Magilog is a solution. Replace superstition with science, replace resignation with effort and research, and replace dogma with rational thinking. Tanaka asserts the national revolution will not success without a revolution the way of thinking, and education is the key to forming a generation with a scientific mindset. Tanaka idea remaining very relevant in the modern era amid the development of technology and information. Society is still easily influenced by hoax, conspiracy theories, and irrational beliefs spread across the internet. This shows that critical thinking is still highly needed. Therefore, understanding material is an important foundation for building a scientific rational mindset in everyday life. As a conclusion, mystical logic is a irrational way of thinking that not based on scientific evidence and becomes an obstacle to national progress. Madilog offers a new scientific rational and critical mindset to build a developed nation. National revolution must begin with a revolution in thinking, especially tough education and scientific culture. So that is my presentation regarding mystical logic in the book My Dialogue by Dan Malaka. I apologize for any mistakes. That's all. Thank you.